Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you exactly how to download and install the Opay app on your PC in 2025. Whether you are using Windows or Mac, this step-by-step guide will help you run the Opay mobile apps right on your desktop. Let's get started. So why you need an Android emulator? So here's the things. Opay is officially a mobile apps designed for Android and iOS. But to use it on a PC, we will need an Android emulator which lets you run mobile apps on your computer. The most popular and safe option is BlueStacks. So first go to the official BlueStack website. Here you can see the blue stick and 5 for Windows or the Mac version if you are using a Mac. So once downloaded, open the installer and follow the setup instruction. After a few minutes, blue stick will open just like an Android tablet or your screen. So sign in to Google Play Store when blue stick opens. uh, here you can see this blue sticks. So Google Store inside the emulator, sign in using your Google account just like you would you on a phone. This step is necessary to download apps like Opay. Then inside the Play Store, here you can see this the Play Store inside. So size Opay in the search bar, then tap on the Opay app from the search result. Here you can see this all Opera games are first of all you have to sign in, then click install and wait for download to finish. Once installed, the Opera icon will appear on your BlueStack home screen. Now you can open it, sign in and use it just like an on a mobile phone. So make sure your PC has at least 4 GB RAM and stable internet connection. Always download BlueStack from the official website to avoid malware. If you face any lag, go into BlueStack settings and adjust CPU and RAM allocated for better performance. And also you have to uh, go to the how to download Opay apps on your Windows computer. Here you can see this, all the informations are given there, so you can follow these steps and easily you can download and install the Opay apps. So hope you are enjoying this video and it's helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe the channels.